Hello. Today I'm going to talk about a little bit tips on Python. The first is what they call list comprehension. Um, you look at this. Usually, if you want to create a list, you don't have to do a for loop and append like that. You can just like have a list sign, which is here, and you have a variable, and then go and make a for loop. Okay, x and in somewhere, okay, which is variable, and make a for loop with the variable. So in this case, um, if I run it, it's gonna be, if I print it, it's gonna be a list with range 3. Okay, so it's 0, 1, 2. Okay, um, you can also do multiple variables, and you just make a multiple um, loop for loop down there, and then you can even include a if statement. Okay, in this case, basically we're solve problem with x square plus y square equals z square. So let me see how it works. Um, so you will see when after I run it, you get all those three numbers, and it's all x squared plus y squared equals z squared. Okay. This is just another example you can see here. You can also it's basically the same for x in s. So you can just look at it, look at the code, and see what they're doing. Okay, but basically is, you could have variable, and you can even give some function with the variable. This time is square of variable x, and for x in range this much. Okay, so it's really flexible, really good tool. Then the other is sort. Basically, if we have strings, we can sort them. Okay, if this is our string, and if we sort them, we print. We need okay. Let me print them. See here, they will sort them based on the alphabetic order. So it's B, C, A, Z. So they will do a capital form first, which is BC, and then do the uncapital ones. Okay, normal letters. And if we can reverse, if we reverse it, it's gonna be just be the opposite direction. Okay. The other thing is if we change them all to the normal letter, like lowercase, and if we print them again, there is this case. See here, it's there's one argument called key. Okay, if we set the key to len, which is based on their length, then it will sort it based on the length. So a is, there's 4 a's, so it's in the last position. Okay. The other really cool thing is, for example, you could have a tuple. Okay. And in every tuple, you can sort them based on the order. Okay. In this case, um, I want to sort them, and first, if we click this, they will sort them first based on the, see here, they will sort them first based on the tuple 1, which means the second position of the tuple, which is all those numbers, and the minus, which means it's a reverse direction. Okay, so they will make reverse direction, and then the first one, they will make the alphabetic direction. Okay, but just make sure key equals lambda. Okay, they will do lambda tuple tup, and then tuple 1 tup. So that's basically what it was. All right. Just in case we have multiple items to sort. Okay, put stuff in order, right? Finally is zip. This is a really handy tool in terms of, for example, we have different, different list. This is X, Y, Z, right? And if we click zip, you will find out here is, let's print this X, Y, Z. This after zip. So if you by the way, you want to list, okay, so if you list this zip xyz, so zip is a function, right? They will create a zip object. So if you list them, so you will find out, these three list, they will make by order, so they will make tuples, okay, and in a list, okay, so by the order, so it's 1 4 7 2 5 8, so it's by the vertical order, okay. um, so zip become really handy when you wanna, it's in different lists and you wanna combine them together somehow. Just remember that it's possible to make 1 7 1 4 7. So every item, the first item of different lists into one tuple. Okay, just remember you could do that. All right. So that's this. I will see you next time.